Hello students, this is Dr. Navajyoti Bhattacharjee, teacher in charge of VSc NSS PDU Government Model College, Katlichola. This is another video on VSc NSS. In this video, we'll discuss about NSS programs and activities, concept of regular activities, special camping and day camp. Concept of regular activities. The National Service Scheme is designed to instill a sense of societal responsibility and continuity service in students. One of its core elements is the set of regular activities undertaken by NSS volunteers, which are carefully structured to provide ongoing practical engagement with societal issues. These regular activities are not only meant to build leadership qualities and teamwork but also to keep volunteers connected with community needs through continuous hands on service. Among these activities, camping exercises, namely special camping and day camps, play a very important role. Now, what is the objective and approach of NSS activities? First is community engagement. Regular activities under NSS are organized initiatives that involve the volunteers in direct community interaction. They are planned to address local issues ranging from health and sanitation drives to literacy programs and environmental conservations. Another is skill building. These activities are also designed to build various soft skills such as leadership, planning, problem solving, and communication. And last one is continuous learning. Rather than one off events, regular activities emphasize continuity. They help instill discipline, social awareness, and a spirit of volunteerism by engaging volunteers in recurring events throughout the academic years or within a cycle of NSS service. Nature of the activities. First is interactive sessions. Many of these are interactive, engaging the volunteers in seminars, discussions, and hands on work in the community. Second is teamwork and collective effort. Tasks are generally carried out in groups to promote cooperation, coordination, and collective effort among participants. Last but not the least, reflection and reporting. Volunteers are encouraged to reflect on the learning and impact of each activity, often lending to feedback sessions and community action plans for future steps. Now, what is camping in NSS? Camping exercise serve as a more immersive method of experiential learning and community service. They help break the monotony of classroom based or routine service activities by providing an environment where volunteers live, work, and learn in a setting apart from the usual surroundings. There are two main types of camping activities in NSS. Those are special camping and day camping. Now, special camping. How you can identify these are the special camping? First is extended duration. Special camping usually spans multiple days. It involves staying overnight at a designated campsite or facility. Next is they have a focused theme. These camps are often organized around specific themes or objectives, such as rural community development, disaster management, environmental conservation, or health awareness. Another is in depth exposure. The prolonged nature of the camp allows for a deeper engagement with the subject matter. Volunteers not only learn the theoretical aspects but also practical skills over an extended period. And finally, comprehensive activities. These camps incorporate varied activities including workshops, seminar, team building exercises, and community service projects. The agenda is carefully planned to balance learning sessions with practical applications. Now, some important features of special camping. First is volunteer experience living outside their usual environment, which can foster independence and adaptability. Second, the schedule is often packed with a mix of educational and recreational activities designed to enhance both professional skills and personal growth. Third is the extended time frame allows for regular evaluations and feedback sessions, ensuring that the learning outcome are met and future improvements can be incorporated. Now come to day camps. Now, how you can identify or organize a day camp? First is day camps are typically designed as one day events where the activities begin and conclude within the same day. While the duration is short, these camps are crafted to be impactful by concentrating on specific objectives such as environmental cleanup, a visit to a local organization, or a brief but intensive training session. Since day camp do not require overnight stay, they are more accessible to a larger number of volunteers who might have academic or personal constraints that limit longer absence. Now, some important features of day camp. Flexibility. In day camp, the program can be organized without the logistical demand of extended accommodation and meal arrangement. Activities in day camp are highly focused, often geared towards achieving one or two precise objectives rather than a broad spectrum of skills. With the camp concluding within the day, there is a quick turnaround for debriefing and reflection sessions, which help consolidate the learning experience almost immediately. Now, let us see some difference between special camp and day camp. First is duration. Special can be more than 1 or 2 days or even a week. Day camp is for the single day only. Depth of engagement, in depth exposure to extended activities and thematic immersion. But in day camp, short focused exposure with targeted objective. Logistical requirement, in special camp, it requires the planning for accommodation, meals, and more complex scheduling. In day camp, simpler logistics as there is no need for overnight arrangements. Learning outcome. Emphasize on comprehensive learning. Team building over a prolonged period allows for iterative evaluation. But in day camp, emphasize on achieving specific immediate objectives with quick debriefing. Participant experience in special camping enable live-in experience that foster independence and adaptability. In day camp provides a quick yet impactful experience that fits well into busy schedule. So these are the NSS program activities, regular the concept of regular activities, then special camping and day camp. I hope you have understood each and every concept. If you have any question, post it in the comment section. I will answer it. Thank you.